क्या आप जानते हैं कि ये जाकिर नाइक है कौन?
Ashhadu
Allah,
Allah
ilaha,
ilaha illallah wa ashhadu Allah Muhammad abduhu wa rasuluhu.
I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
These are tears of joy. There are tears of joy, sister. Would you like to enter the fold? According to me, already a Muslim. Would you like to proclaim it? Yes? MashaAllah. Takbir. I hope no one is forcing you, sister. You are doing it out of your own free will. You have heard my lectures, so surely you will be having a substantial some knowledge of Islam.
Yes, sir.
MashaAllah, sister. I bear witness
I bear witness
that there is no God
there is no God
but Allah,
but Allah,
and I bear witness
and I bear witness
that
that
Prophet Muhammad
Prophet
is the messenger
is the messenger
and servant of Allah.
and servant of Allah.
Takbir. Takbir. MashaAllah, sister. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant you Jannat al-Firdaus. And really you have taken a bold step. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide you more. And may He help you, because I can make out, MashaAllah, that you have already gained a lot of knowledge. And your questions were very questions of intelligence. And MashaAllah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you more knowledge of the deen. May He help you to guide your parents, guide your family members, and guide your friend, sister. Is there anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
No, nobody is forcing.
Are you accepting out of your free will?
Yes.
Because in Islam, to force anyone to accept Islam is haram. It's haram in the religion, and it's haram, it's prohibited in most of the countries, I believe even in Dubai. To force anyone to accept a religion is forbidden. So you're accepting out of free will, sister.
Yes. But that is the reason I asked you many questions.
MashaAllah.
Out of free will.
I hope no one is bribing you.
No.
You know, because in India, when after many people accept Islam, the CID, the police go there and ask, how much dollars Dr. Zakir Naik give you? I tell them I have given them currency of the Akhirah. Currency of the Akhirah, and that's accepted.